Hello everyone, welcome back to a new YouTube video. Mahilig ka bang mag-cramming sa pagre-review? Or lagi kang tinatamad gumawa ng mga projects mo and documents mo for school? O di kaya naman gamit na gamit mo yung ChatGPT mo sa pag-correct ng mga grammar, spelling, and organization ng document mo? At this time, ang mahal-mahal na kasing maging estudyante kasi need mong magbayad ng subscription and membership fees sa napakadaming apps. Kailangan mo pang magbayad ng membership sa Microsoft Office, kailangan mo mag-subscribe sa Canva, sa ChatGPT, kailangan mong humanap ng free online converters ng mga document, and ang hirap. So imagine the convenience of having all these 4 apps in just one app. I know that you have already heard about WPS because it's really a famous alternative for Microsoft Office. It has a long-standing history. That's why they already have like around 600 million monthly subscribers. So now let's dive into the app. As you can see in their interface, it's really simple. Ang dali niya lang intindihin. In WPS, you can access the typical Microsoft Offices that you're using in your laptop. Pwede kang gumawa ng Word document, presentation, Excel, nandito yung lahat. Pero ang pinakamagandang advantage kasi ng WPS is meron siyang integrated artificial intelligence. So if you're having a hard time reviewing really long modules, it can also summarize it to save time. If you're working on a document and you want to improve it, it also suggests corrections and improvements. Above all, if you're running out of time, it can also automatically make a presentation for you that easily. Para nang meron nagtuturo sa'yo habang nagtatype ka ng document mo. Kung templates lang naman ang hanap mo, then WPS will also not disappoint you kasi I'm telling you, nakakategorize na to sa mga templates na gusto mo. Mapa-business, mapa-school, mapa-personal life. Pwede mong gawin lahat yan in WPS. Now let's start exploring WPS with creating a document. I will share to you the features na ginagamit ko talaga sa WPS pero hindi ko nagagamit sa Microsoft Office. Let's start first with AI Summarizer. Super beneficial talaga to if you're someone like me na mahilig mag-cram. May mga times kasi na I only have 1 hour to review before the exam and ang ginagamit ko is si AI Summarizer. So yung napakalaking document mo, isa-summarize na niya lahat ng important parts doon and yun na lang yung babasahin mo for your reviewing. And hindi lang siya basta AI Summarizer, it will also give you additional details of the document para mas maintindihan mo siya ng mas maigi. Personally, mas pinaka-ginagamit ko kasi si ChatGPT kapag kinakailangan kong i-correct yung grammar, mga spelling, or organization ng document ko. But now, I do not have to like switch apps ChatGPT to my document para lang gawin yun. It's because in WPS, meron na siyang built-in artificial intelligence to do that. Let's say for example, gusto mong i-change kung gaano siya ka-formal, ka-casual, saan mo ba siya gagamitin, ano ba yung purpose mo in making this document, i-click mo na lang and it will automatically customize your document according to what you have placed in there. As in, ang ganda ng app nito because it will not alter your whole document. As in, na per sentence lang siya kung saan niya lang nakikita na merong potential error or merong potential improvement. Doon yan lang isasuggest niya per paragraph. Ang gagawin mo na lang, i-approve and decline and you're good to go. Now, let's move on naman to the features of WPS in terms of making presentations. Personally, this second semester, batak na batak talaga ako sa pag-present because I am majoring in construction management. And through WPS AI, mas madali na lang sa akin gumawa ng presentation because ang ginagawa ko na lang, ina-upload ko na lang yung PDF ng contents ng i-report ko and then it will be the one to organize everything for me. Kaya kung tamad ka gaya ko, super beneficial nito. Ang gagawin mo na lang is mag-e-edit na lang ng design niya. And ang pinaka-best part, kapag wala kang outline or information ng report mo, kayang-kaya niyang buuin yung report mo. You just have to type in prompts. And when I say prompts, topic mo, ano yung gusto mong lumabas, and then boom! It will show you the outline and i-accept mo na lang siya so that it can start generating your slideshow. Hindi ko na may isa-isa lahat ng features kasi grabe din talaga yung functionality ng WPS. You can convert your PDF modules and turn them into editable documents so that you can add additional notes during your class. You can also scan physical copies, turn them into PDF, or access a spreadsheet which works just like Microsoft Excel. Yeah, there's so much more to mention honestly, and I just hope that you can explore it yourself so that you can also increase your productivity. Anyway, meron din pala silang ambassador program, so if you want to be a promoter, then you can also apply para ma-access mo rin yung mga pro features ng WPS for free. So again, that's it for the video guys. I hope that you enjoyed it and meron din kayong natutunan. Thank you WPS for sponsoring this video, and to you guys for watching, thank you so much. I have already 35,000 subscribers and I'm just really happy right now. Please pray for me then because I am already preparing for my graduation. Sana pumasa.